Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a mouth-watering red sauce pasta in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, we'll cook our pasta. I'm using penne pasta, but feel free to use your favorite type. Add salt to the boiling water and drop in the pasta. Cook it according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Now, let's prepare our flavorful red sauce.
Next,
Add the minced garlic and some minced garlic in the heated olive oil. We want that beautiful garlic flavor to infuse the. Next, I'll season the sauce with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a bit of a kick. If you prefer a milder sauce, you can skip the red pepper flakes. While our sauce simmers, I'll add a touch of sweetness by sprinkling some sugar. It balances the flavors and enhances the taste of the tomatoes. Our sauce is ready. Now, let's add our cooked pasta to the pan. And voila! Our delicious red sauce pasta is ready to be served. Garnish it with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and some chopped fresh basil for an extra burst of flavor. The aroma, the flavors, it's absolutely divine. I hope you enjoy making this pasta as much as I do.